Is the F40 the greatest road-going Ferrari off them all? If you were a child of the 1980s, there is no question. This is peak Ferrari desirability. And how incredibly rare it is to see one here in Australia. There may only be half a dozen of these F40s in the country, and this one is especially unusual because the owner has given it a right-hand drive conversion. This Euro-spec F40 has been with the same owner in Australia for over 20 years. And being a 1990 version, it is the desirable non-cat, non-adjustable suspension variant. What's awesome about the F40 is it's a supercar before supercars got overly complicated. It's a steel tubular frame chassis, mid-mounted 2.9 litre twin-turbo V8 engine, mated to a 5-speed dogleg manual gearbox. Now, Ferrari from the factory said these things offered 475 horsepower, and because they weighed only 1,250 kilograms, that meant it could achieve that magic 200 mile an hour mark. Not only has the owner done the right-hand drive conversion, which he promises has had no structural changes at all, he's also fitted electric windows and central locking. This aftermarket suede steering wheel, which replaces the original, which comes with the car. There's also the harnesses as well, which will come with the car, and we've got aftermarket ones on here now. Of course, being a supercar from the 1980s, a proper manual change with the dogleg box as well. It is absolutely old school fabulous. This is a childhood dream, so here we go. Nice little idle. There's some Maranello magic right there. Oh, I'd love to drive this thing. What an animal, what an icon. Gorgeous. The F40 got its name because it was celebrating 40 years of Ferrari road car production and was the last model that Enzo himself oversaw before passing away. When the F40 was introduced in 1987, Ferrari planned to build only 400 of them. But such was the desirability of this, the very first supercar that could do 200 miles an hour. They ended up making over 1,300 of them. But even so, it remains an incredibly desirable and wanted car throughout the world. What a rare opportunity to have one up for auction here in Australia. Don't miss out on your opportunity to bid at rrauctions.com.au.